Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making okra soup using the simplest recipe there is. I start off by grating my okra and then I set that aside. Next, I put about 1 cup of water in a small saucepan. I salt it and then I put my okra into the saucepan. I obviously had to pour it everywhere else because your girl can be very clumsy. I let this boil for 5 minutes and then I check it for doneness. It wasn't as slimy as I wanted it to be. It wasn't cooked enough, so I let it sit for another 5 minutes. Now I check it and it's perfect, cooked enough. So I'm gonna take that off and set it aside. In a blender, I put 5 cloves of garlic, 1 medium onion, dried rosemary, whole black peppercorns, a little bit of water, and then I blend all of this up. Now for my protein, I used only chicken because that's all I had. I put in some ground ginger because I didn't have any fresh ginger. And then I pour in my blended mixture to the chicken. I added a little more ground ginger. I mixed this all up and then I let it boil. I salt it now at this point, and the fragrance in here, it's amazing. It smells so good. I cover this up and give it about 5 more minutes and then it's done. So I'm taking my chicken out of the pot now, and then that stock or that broth that you have is what you're going to use to make your soup. In a blender, I have 1 medium tomato, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 scotch pepper. And then I'm going to blend all of this up. Also, I left some of the okra on the side. I didn't boil this. I don't know why I do my okra this way, but I always do this. I boil one with my cup of water and then I leave a little bit that I put directly into my broth. I added a little bit of beef stock to my already made broth. I'm making it with chicken, but I use beef because beef is all I had, so I had to make do. It really doesn't matter as it doesn't affect your flavor in any ways. I pour in my blended mixture and then I let it boil for a few minutes. I added dried basil leaves as well. Mixed it all up. Then I put the okra that I had set aside in. I let that boil again, maybe another 5 to 8 minutes. And then I pour in my cooked okra. And I mix this all up. I let this cook then I add my chicken. It looks so good. It smells so good. Give this another 5 to 10 minutes and your okra soup is ready for chops. It's so good, guys, and it was really so simple. I hope it's easy enough for you guys to want to try it. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button down below, join the fam, and I'll see you on my next video.